What landlord-tenant laws prevent accidental lease breaches for landlords? Imagine managing rental properties without accidentally breaking the rules. It might seem tricky, but certain laws are designed to help landlords stay on the right side of the law. These laws focus on clear agreements, proper communication, and maintaining the property well. When landlords follow these rules, they can avoid unintentional violations that could cause legal trouble. First, having a well-written lease agreement is key. Laws often requiring leases to be clear and detailed, explaining what the landlord and tenant are responsible for. This includes things like who handles repairs, security measures, and access rules. When these details are spelled out, everyone knows what to expect, reducing chances of misunderstandings. Next, laws usually requiring landlords to give proper notice if they need to address lease issues. For example, if a landlord needs to enter the property for repairs, or if a tenant breaches the lease, they must send written notice. This notice should specify what the problem is and give the tenant a reasonable amount of time to fix it. Following this process helps landlords avoid accidental violations by making sure they act within legal boundaries. Laws also make landlords responsible for keeping the property safe and livable. This means following building codes, fixing hazards, and providing adequate security. Regular inspections and maintenance are part of this. When landlords stay on top of property upkeep, they prevent accidental breaches related to neglect or unsafe conditions. If a tenant breaks the lease, laws often requiring landlords to try to find a new tenant quickly. This is called mitigation. It helps prevent landlords from losing money and ensures they follow fair practices. These rules clarify that landlords cannot simply ignore the situation or take illegal actions like changing locks without court approval. Many jurisdictions also prohibit landlords from taking illegal steps to evict tenants. For example, changing locks or shutting off utilities without a court order is illegal. These laws guide landlords to follow proper eviction procedures, which involve court hearings and notices. Following these procedures helps prevent accidental violations that could lead to legal penalties. Good communication with tenants is another important aspect. While not always legally required, talking openly and conducting regular inspections can help catch issues early. This way, landlords can address problems before they turn into violations. Finally, laws provide clear steps for resolving lease issues. If a breach occurs, landlords can serve written notices, seek court orders, or pursue damages legally. Following these steps ensures due process and helps avoid unintentional violations of tenant rights. In practical terms, landlords should always draft clear leases, keep open lines of communication, conduct regular property checks, and follow legal notice and repair rules. When they stick to these guidelines, they reduce the chance of accidental lease breaches and build better relationships with tenants.